forgiveness. Forgive them. Not only forgive, but forget that person had given sorrow. That situation has given you some realization, and you have learned from that. V is pure love, means you change your attitude. Somebody behaves not good with you and it has given you pain. Must be some reason behind dissatisfaction, maybe misunderstanding, maybe person is tired and at that time you ask something to do for you, a favor. Maybe that person is disappointed from the self, so cannot fulfill the expectations of others. So have patience, and you will be able to understand your attitude, and also your vision will be totally different if you give some moment to think, link with the situation. So here I link of love I see. I'm defining first with what it is connected, with what it is linked. Then change your vision. And E is, love is not only, oh, I love you so much. I really have love for you. I have very great vision for you. I have respect for you. Express it. Others should experience it. Then it is love. Otherwise, it's a bondage. So that's why even with God, we had the same kind of expectations on the path of bhakti, that if you fulfill my this wish, I will make a church for you. I will make a pagoda for you. I will go on pilgrimage. I will offer something special. So it is exchange. It's business. It is not love. It is a link first, what I want. When you fulfill this, then I will do that. It's not, it's a conditional love. And God's love is unconditional. With human being, love is limited until you support each other. It's love. And if the person does not have time or became due to some reason could not give, and then your attitude completely, your opinion changed. See, you never helped me. You never supported me. You cross out all the support they have given. So then we take sorrow, and we have given them so much, we also create a new bondage or karmic account in this way. So it is based on expectations. So result is totally different. So I defined at that time that instead of making the cloth clean, dusty, dirty cloth, it will make the cloth dirty. Instead of transparency, it will, more dust is mixed in it. You cannot really know what their really intention is, or there is selfish love. Or another aspect is that when same love, same water, which is changed into attachment, then flow is not there. More dust is mixed in it, meets body, dust to dust, body consciousness is mixed in it, then flow is not there. It is not a river of love, it is a pond, and gradually, it attracts more dust. And of course, there are only the frogs try calling something or complaining something take place in it. And the final thing is that more dust is mixed in it, it becomes mud which clings you. Water washes your hand, takes the dust away. But when more body consciousness is mixed in it, it is not called love, it is called attachment and ways of sorrow. So this is why Baba says love and remembrance and mercy, there is difference. Love is selflessness. Let go. Open your heart. Change your vision for past that he is not going to change. No, he will definitely change. She will be uplifted. She can do something. You have hope and vision. And you express the true feelings, what had happened and what you want to do. So you are honest. So unlimited love with honesty. So God's love is unlimited, unconditional, constant, forgiving and giving all the time. Now, link of love in reality, it is relationship with everyone, with pure consciousness of brotherhood. When first in San Francisco it was invented, this idea, this Rakhi time, instead of saying Visai Rakhi, call it link of love. So friendship. And so it became, just like in the worldly sense, there had been a fashion of tying each other a thread, and it is connected. You love someone,
Friendship.
and that thread is there. But here our love is, it's a promise. It's a promise to have all relationships with one Baba. According to today's Murli, the Father, the Teacher, the Sadguru, the Liberator, the Purifier. So at Raksha Bandhan, meaning of love is that before that we had love for God, but we were saying, God is my one strength, one support. We said this, but there was not that surety or faith. If my wish is not fulfilled, I defame God or blame God that He did not help me. You could not accept your faith is broken. Or we had blind faith or blind love, temporary love. We were holding an umbrella of protection, close umbrella. Umbrella was closed, and we are in sun, hot weather of sun. We are burning in that heat, but umbrella is not used. Rain is falling and we are wet, but we are not using that. Umbrella is not protecting us. Why? Because it is closed. It can work only like a stick, walking stick, or to protect yourself. It is an umbrella, but it is a stick, support for short time. Love is support for short time. But you are facing the problems of every day anyway. But you switch on the button, press the button, umbrella opens. And you see the link. What it is in it? The picture. One wire is connected with the other, another is connected with the other, another is connecting the other. It is called network. That is all connected with each other and connected with the canopy. It becomes then natural umbrella of protection. It becomes then practical experience of all relationship, mother, father, friend, teacher. So the support is one strength, one support, different time with different relationship with my own self. First we need to learn love myself. Love myself means, oh, I love myself. I love my original qualities. I love and protect. Love instantly protects. Love means protection. Love means support. So my original qualities I love, and the deepest and strongest and honest love is that I love my stage. If my stage is shaking, stage means my soul conscious stage, my God conscious stage, my divine Sattva Pradhan stage, my deity stage, angelic stage. My stage is fluctuating. The part cannot play properly. So whom do I love most? Baba or my stage? They say Baba. But Baba says, I love those who make their stage strong.
Yeah.
If I ask you, oh, whom you love? Oh, I love Baba very much. And if something is not fulfilled, then my love for Baba is like Bhakti love. So no matter what happens, I remain stable. Stability, strength. So myself means my original self. I love my original self as a child of God, as grandchild of the Supreme Soul, as mother and father relationship. So all these wires that are in umbrella, which is connected. So love, when you love someone, first thing is you come close. Is a natural gravity attraction company. And second thing is you hold the hand. So Baba's Shrimat is a hand, and I keep close connection with Baba. It's not only a link, but it's a connection and relationship. So this relationship makes me strong and powerful. So in essence, Baba, my companion, Baba's powers, my company. Whatever I do, whatever job I have, whatever environment I create, it's godly powers. Knowledge, purity, peace, love, happiness, This is a company. Godly qualities. I love what his gifts are or what my original qualities are. And final thing is that God is my canopy, company, companion, company, and canopy. And we are going to celebrate Raksha Bandhan, a bond of protection. So what it is we want protection from? What do we want to protect? With which quality of love? Tomorrow, before Rakhi, I will speak the importance of that. Now is according to the program. There's meditation complete 7 o'clock now.